What is up, RC enthusiasts? Today, got for you guys my giveaway. We're going to announce who won this thing. So no one was able to guess my wheel weight solution for these rigs. It is very unconventional and they aren't the greatest wheel weights, so you know, I'm going to keep it a secret for now, just because I plan on giving another truck away at 2,000 subscribers. I'm going to try to give away maybe a full ready to run rig, so look out for that. See which one of these back here might be the giveaway. Well, let's go ahead and give this away to one lucky subscriber. Now obviously, since no one chose it, I'm just going to use a random comment generator online, so let's get to that. Alright, let's see which one of my lucky subscribers wins this rig right here. Good luck to you all. Young Lincoln, you are the winner of this random giveaway. Well, it was not supposed to be a random giveaway, but your guess was wrapped weights. Now that thing back there is yours. Congratulations. Hope you enjoy it. Can't wait to hear what you do to this thing. Alright, congratulations, Young Lincoln. You have won yourself a C34 kit with a KM gearbox and metal drive shafts. Hope you enjoyed this little rig. It was fun to build it, and hopefully you enjoy running it. Now, like I said, you're going to need your own electronics for this bad boy, so your own ESC, your own transmitter, your own receiver, your own battery, and you'll be ready. You'll be good to go. Everything else is included. You got yourself a servo, you got yourself a motor and gearbox, so you're set there, and all the other accessories come with it. So I'm just going to need to figure out how to send this to you, and we'll get this bad boy straight to you. Well, alright, man, congratulations again, and to everyone else, stay tuned for more. Hope you like this content. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe below. Now go out there, have some fun, and run that RC.